1997 Jeep Cherokee with the inline 6. Let me show you the issue I'm having on cold starts. First thing in the morning when the engine is rock cold, the RPMs are running way too low, clear down at like 500. So let me start it up here first thing and show you what that looks like. There we go. Foot's off the accelerator and we're just barely above 500, maybe 750. I have to sit there with my foot on the accelerator, just kind of feathering it a little bit to keep the engine running. As soon as it's warmed up, it runs just great. So I've done a little poking around and I've narrowed it down to the idle air control, which is right there. So we're gonna swap out this idle air control valve for a new one. Got a new one right here. I'll put a link in the video description below where you can get a new idle air control valve for your Jeep Cherokee. First, I'm gonna unplug the little wire harness to it. And that's just one little tab on the top here. You pull up and then it slips right out. Then there's just two little bolts, one on the top and one on the bottom holding it in place, and they're both T20 Torx bits. So we'll swap this out, see what this does for us. And the way I narrowed this down, there's a few other issues that could cause a low idle like that. One of them being like a dirty throttle body. I know the throttle on this is clean, so I've cleaned it up previously, had the whole air intake off of it. So I know that the throttle is nice and clean on this. Could be a vacuum leak. I've kind of looked around at all my hoses. All the vacuum lines look just fine, so I'm highly suspicious of this idle air control valve. So let's swap it out and see what happens. Old one's out, new one's going in. And when you get your new one in, when the old one comes out, there's a O-ring at the base. Make sure that this O-ring comes out with it. All right, let's plug the wire harness back in and see what we got. Fire in the hole. Oh yeah, much better already. Should be idling around 1,000 to 1,200, so that's going to be much better. So as I mentioned, it was just in the mornings when I would do the cold start, it would just idle super low, like almost dying, like 400 RPMs. Once it warmed up though, ran great, no trouble. Would go back out, start it up, idle just fine. I checked for vacuum leaks. I knew that the throttle body was clear and clean. I knew I didn't have a fuel delivery issue or a battery issue. Like the battery's good, voltage is great, alternator's great. So I really narrowed it down to that idle air control valve. So hope this helps you guys out. Leave a comment down below. Love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.